Welcome back, guys. So in my last video I said you should look out for the part 2 of the video, and so this is part 2 of our August 2025 series on the best stocks to trade, where we are continuing with our big dollar movers and high volatility mid-priced stocks. If you missed part 1, do well to check it out for the first half of our top picks for this month. In part 1, we covered HIMS, Robinhood, SMCI, Tesla, and IONQ, and the market action has been nothing short of explosive. Now, in this video, we're continuing the countdown with more stocks that have been making major moves and creating exciting trading opportunities you won't want to miss. If this is your first time here, you're most welcome to my channel, Trade with Raks, where traders get ahead and learn how to build wealth and gain financial freedom through trading and investing in the financial markets. You can hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to get notified anytime I upload a new video, so you don't miss out on any new updates or videos that I post. And you can also give a thumbs up to like and share and help this video get at least 1000 likes. So without further ado, let's dive in. Now, this isn't just a list of tickers, it's your trading edge for the month. So we're diving deep into the real price action, buy zones, warning signs, and entry and exit signals for each of these exclusive US stocks. If you know you trade momentum or you want price predictions based on technicals, then do well to stick around because this breakdown could be your best trade setup. And if you want to learn how to trade these stocks I listed here, you can click the link in the description to join my one-on-one coaching, where I provide details on day trading in general, stop losses, position sizing, when not to trade, and some entry and exit strategies as well. Okay? And the next on the list is Palantir Technologies with ticker symbol PLTR, and currently sitting at $173.27. So Palantir broke out after securing new AI-related government contracts, and since then it has been steadily climbing up. It continues to ride the AI trend, and the stock's upward momentum is a result of increasing institutional volume and its strong fundamentals. It has moved an average day range of 3.73% in 30 days, with an average volume of 65 million daily. And these are solid big moves that will earn you a lot of money. Last month in July, Palantir's price went up by $32 from its low of $128.51 here to a high of $161.44 here, having an increase of over 25%. This is a big mover stock, and it moves big daily as well. With its earnings report due for release on Monday, 4th of August, we expect it to rally for a day or two after that. So expect more upward movements and targeting 180 to 200 or even more within the next few days. This is going to be a major move to the upside before the drop coming in September. So wait for it to pull back before you buy, okay? And an ideal entry will be at this previous resistance of $155. And if it continues to the downside, then the next support would likely be down to this 146 area. It will break through one level before it continues to the next. So watch out for how price reacts around key levels. The next big mover on the list is Advanced Micro Devices, ticker symbol AMD. It is currently sitting at $174.31. AMD's new chips and revenue margins are improving, and so the bulls are loading up. AMD gained momentum from the chip sector, and as AI and data center demand heats up, AMD is seen as a strong contender to NVDA. It also moves big in dollar terms and in volume, and over 30 days it has moved between its low and high at an average of $5.25 in dollar value and at 3.45%. with 57 million in average volume daily. It has been in an uptrend since its low in April, and from the chart, you can see that in the last month, in July, it has moved by $51 from a low of $133.50 to a high of $185.27, making an increase of over 38%. And if you look well, it seems to have formed a head and shoulder pattern, which is a signal that the price is going to go down. It is due to release its earnings report on 5th of August in the after hours of the market session. So let's just wait and watch how to see how the price reacts. So you look out for entries at this support around 149 and exit at 161. And if it drops further, next support will be around this area of 115. So just look out for the pullback, guys. And next we have Google with ticker symbol GOOGL, and it's currently sitting at $194.67 currently. Google is integrating AI into every corner of its business, and it has been slowly and steadily climbing up with strong breakouts since its low of $138 in April, and it is forming a potential new base near its all-time highs. In the last 30 days, Google moved at an average of 2.3% between its daily low and high, and at a dollar value of $4.22 with an average volume of 45 million daily. This is another daily big dollar mover stock that can earn you a lot of money using the right strategy. And from the chart here, in July, it moved up $36 from a low of $162.79 to a high of $197.99, making an increase of 22%. It released its earnings report with positive results, but had no significant rally. It only went up by 7% and got rejected at this resistance here before pulling back. And yes, some stocks usually rally some days before or after their earnings release date, and so they won't have any major move on that day of the earnings report release, on the day they release their earnings. So for those that trade earnings as their strategy, know how the stock moves on their earnings date, okay? So it pulled back after rejecting this resistance here, and you can see that it has tested this same level 3 times already. It's trying to break above it, but doesn't seem to hold. So let's just see how, let's just watch out for a pullback and entries around 180 and then around 165 if it breaks, if it goes lower. And if it breaks above the resistance, then look for a price target of 207 to 209.50 to exit. And the next one is one of my favorites, NVDA, with ticker symbol NVDA, and it's currently sitting at $178.26. Now, NVIDIA is leading when it comes to artificial intelligence, and it remains the leader in AI chips. It has been breaking new highs, and traders are watching for more institutional buying and eyeing dips so that they can load up. NVIDIA stock moved at an average day range of 2.18% and $3.59 in dollar value daily over 30 days with an average of 177 million in volume. And you know what this means? And this is just the average value over 30 days because it moves up to $5 or even $7 on some big days. And in the last month, it has moved from a low of $151 to an all-time high of $184.11, rising by more than $33 in value. and also making an increase of 21%. And it pulled back afterwards to this previous resistance of 173.50, which is now support, and continued the move upwards. So just watch out for a break above this resistance of 184 to the upside if the bullish momentum continues, and then you'll see a move up to a new all-time highs around 200. And if it doesn't hold, watch out for a pullback to support around 151, 152 for an ideal entry. And the next mid-priced stock is SOFI Technologies with ticker symbol SOFI, and it's currently sitting at $21.54. SOFI Technologies is a financial service platform that offers personal loans, student loans, home loan products, and related servicing activities through its different financial services segments. This is yet another mid-priced stock with high volume and volatility. It continues to build momentum after a solid earnings report, and it is also affordable and has solid price action with explosive chart setups. And last month, SOFI's intraday movement between its daily low and high was an average of 4.7%, with an average volume of 82 million daily. Now, this is an ideal stock for swing traders or option traders because it moves fast and offers good setups for active traders as well. Now, let's take a look at the chart. So last month in July, it rose by over $7 from its low of $17.50, so making this high of $25.11 after it released its earnings report. And SOFI has been trending upwards with increasing volume after seeing positive earnings and growth in its loan services, and has maintained an upward move since its breakout of above $10 in October 2024 and has continued in that uptrend. So after it trended downwards from this high of $28 in 2021 to this low here of $4 in 2023, SOFI held up very well under pressure, and after a pullback of 53% from this $18.42 to $8 here in April, retesting and holding support at this previous resistance of $10.30 here. It has since recovered, and you can see it is now gearing up for a breakout above $25 here. So currently we have support around here at $18.42 and looking at a price target of $28. So keep your eyes on volume at this support and resistance levels, okay? But also be cautious because any issues surrounding the banking sector and rates could affect its price. And so we wrap up our part 2 coverage of this month's top performing stocks. We've looked at the big dollar movers and the mid-priced high volatility plays that are turning heads in August 2025. Remember, these stocks can deliver exciting opportunities, but always combine technical analysis with risk management before making any trades, okay? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to check out part 1 for even more trade ideas from this month. Do well to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and share it with a fellow trader who needs fresh ideas for their watch list. As always, trade smart and stay profitable, and I'll see you in the next video.